Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you'll see today we are unboxing Lookfantastic. I love this box. It's really nice coloured. I like the blue and the green, and it has a silver trim around the top of the box lid, which is really makes it look really nice, I think. So yeah, so it's just like a basic box, but it's really nice. I like it. Right, okay, so we're just gonna pop this lid off and unbox it. So it just comes off like this. Okay, so we have got a magazine, which you normally do. I think that this box is £13 a month I pay for it, so it's quite good that you actually get a magazine that's worth about £4. And it's usually a good read. I usually put this beside my bed and I just read it on a night. It's really good. It's a good read. So yeah, so let's just get to the box. So I like that magazine. It's the Ellie magazine. It's really a good read. So, oh, it has a nice scent to it. It does have a nice scent. Oh, we have a message. What does it say? It says Atarixia, a state of serene calmness, ongoing freedom from every worry. Wow, look at that. See it? That's really nice. Right, so let's just open the box and we will come out. Right, so I don't want that yet. So it is this month, January box. See it? There we go. So right, so it's like all about skincare, getting your skin up to a healthy condition from December and all of the partying that you might have done. I didn't do any. Well, it's really difficult to do that with a disabled child. Right, okay, so I'm just going to pull out the first item, and we have the Esper Natural Beauty Inner Calm Pink Hair and a scalp mold. I hope it doesn't send your hair pink. Not that I have anything against pink hair, I do like it. The colour just wouldn't suit me, I don't think. Right, so this is an intensive mineral rich treatment mask that deeply conditions to leave your hair soft and smooth and the scalp nourished. It's vitamin C rich, watercress and red clay soothe and nourish the scalp, while apricot kernel oil conditions do help promote stronger, healthy looking, manageable hair. So it does say, for best results, 1. Massage into the scalp through damp hair. 2. Leave for 20 minutes overnight if preferred to rinse. And number 3, to enhance the benefits, follow the purifying shampoo and nourishing conditioner. So there we go, that is that. And then we got a warming ginger bath and body oil. So that would be fine if you come out of the shower. If you haven't got a bath like me, I don't have one. So when I come out of the shower, I will just rub this all over my body. I hope it smells like ginger, because I love the scent of ginger. Oh, it does. That has a really nice scent of ginger, and I'm just going to tip a bit out if it will let me. So there it is there. I don't know if it's going to be able to see it, but it's like, oh, it has a really nice smell of ginger, even on the skin. I am going to absolutely love this when I get in my shower. That is absolutely fantastic. I love that smell of ginger. And it's like, I can have that on all day. I'll probably just use this as a perfume because I just absolutely love the scent of ginger. It is so calming, so relaxing, and I love that. So that is a good one. I am really pleased with that. That is really nice. I love the scent of ginger. I love ginger anyway. Right, okay, so then that is a winner. And so we are coming to a white tea fluid gel cleanser. So it does say about this is that it's white tea, mild foaming fluid gel that cleanses and refreshes without dehydrating the skin. Rub gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. So, okay, does it have... It doesn't have... Well, I'm not going to open it yet. But if that is any good, it will go into my good box. If it's not, it goes into this, which is the bad box. I haven't got a good box yet. I will have a good box before that, because I do have some items this month that has been really, really good, but there is also some bad ones. So we will see what this actually does. Right, okay, so this is, what is it? This is the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum, and it is by Balance Me. I'm usually not really keen on this firm at all, but we will give it a try. And just let's see, so this is a congested skin cream, right? So I don't know about that, so just dab a little bit on. I don't know, but it's... Oh, it does have a nice smell, so it has like a... Well, it's just because I put it down on my ginger hand. Oh, I realised what I did, and now I just tipped out the whole bottle just about. Yeah, it does still have a nice scent. Right, okay, so that is that. And then what have we got? We have the Model Co 3D Lash Primer. Right, we already had this in one of the glossy boxes. I think it was the Christmas one. I'm not really sure. If you know which box we had this in, let me know in the comments, but I wasn't really impressed with it. So I've already used it and I wasn't really impressed with it. This month's box is like, I don't really like that firm at all. Balance Me. This really didn't do a great lot. I haven't tried that, so I can't comment on it. And I haven't tried the Cause White Tea Gel, so I think that these three may be the best items of this box. This box, what would I say about it? It is like... In this month's box, this is the Beauty Box magazine, and it says January is all about starting the year fresh and clean. Take the time to discover all the beauty tips to recharge, reset and reinvent your skincare regime and beauty stash. Discover new brands like Sampa, new products and new beauty tricks. Bring on 2018. Wow. So, okay, so the contents, what's in the box, 2018 beauty, get the look, brand discoveries, refresh, exclusive February sneak peek. So this is our new look for 2018 box design. So that is the new box design. And it does say what's in the box. You get a Balance Me Skincare Congested Skin Cream. And it doesn't give me the price for that. I think that could be just a sample though. And also you get my favourite one of this item, which is the Monia Spa Ginger Bath and Body Oil. I love that. Right, and so then you get the SPA Pink Hair and Scalp Mould. It just doesn't give me any prices at all. So we'll carry on with looking through this magazine. And it's just giving me a sniff. Sorry for that, I'm just got a really sore throat. So it says what's in the box, and it does say that I think that this might be coming in next month's box. So look away now if you don't want to see it, but I think that could be in next month's box, I'm not sure. So we have the Model Co 3D Lash Primer, and we have Beauties Going Forward, Discover New 2018 Trends. So what is going to be the trend for 2018? It's going to be glossy eyelids, the glossy heroes, pop eye look, meet your pop friends, and holographic lipstick is going to be in for 2018. So it just says no makeup fresh 2018. Follow these simple steps and it will tell you how to create a look. And brand discovery, which is Samper this year. And let's see, there we go. You see it. And refresh, dry rehydrated. I'll see it. And so normal skincare is by Propstart Clinique. There we go. See it. It is iffy this month's box. We will see how I get along with it. So yeah, so I will actually do the good box, the bad box video before long when I finish getting all of my subscription boxes. So yeah, so and I will let you know exactly what the products did and what they felt like on and how they lasted and how they and just do a whole video on what I think of them. Okay, so if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.